recognize me. Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to multiply decimals by whole numbers. It's the first unit of our math chapter that we're going to be working on with multiplying and dividing decimals. Right now we're just going to take a whole number and multiply it by a decimal. And I'm going to show you how to do that visually using models. We're going to first multiply 3 times 5/10. So I need to find 3 wholes. This is one whole unit, and I've got it neatly divided into 10 by 10 to make 100 whole units. So all this together we're calling one whole unit. I need 3 of them for this problem. It's 3 whole units. Now I need to multiply it by 5/10. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down to 10. So I got to find 5 of those tenths. 3, 4. There is 5/10 of one whole. Look at this. What is 5/10 of one whole? What's another way to say this? It's exactly half of the whole. So remember that. 5/10 is 1/2. But I'm not doing 5/10 of 1. I want to do 5/10 of 3. So I need to do to this one. And to the third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, those are my factors, 3 and 5/10. The answer is called our product. We need to find the answer, the product of this multiplication problem. So I need this, I don't need that. I need this, but I don't need that. I need this, but not that. Now, 3 times 5/10 leaves me with 3 5/10. But there's another way to say that too. 3/2 is the same as, this is 10 across, 10 down, so this is one whole, and then this is half of that whole. So it's the same as 1 1/2 or 1 5/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one whole and 5/10 is the product of that multiplication problem. Okay, girls, we're going to do one more. We're going to multiply 8/10 times 4 whole. So I need to find my 4 whole. 2, 3. It's my 4 whole. I need to find 8/10 of all these holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8/10 of 3, but I need 8/10 of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, those are my 2 factors, 8/10 and 4. What is the product? Let's find out. My oldest daughter, Allison, is being very kind to me by doing the videotaping. One of these lessons I'm going to have to get her on. So I've got 8 there. I need 2 more to make one whole. Okay, there's one whole. I've got 8. I need 2 more again, make another whole. Eight. Just 2 more to make another hole. So, how many holes do I have? 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, and 2/10. So, the product of this problem is 3 holes and 2/10. I have one more question to ask of you girls to think about. Notice we have been multiplying whole numbers by just decimals, which are parts of a whole. Not mixed numbers, but they've just been decimals. Less than one whole. Every time you multiply a number, like let's say 4, times a number less than a whole, what is the product going to be always? Is it going to always be greater than the whole or less than the whole? Think about it and we'll answer that in a minute.